Look who is back. Can I say hello to the face?
Hello.
We're back like we never left.
Mama, today's what you're joking.
Oh, Jesus, wait.
One.
Wait. Come up. Say wagwan. Sarah, say wagwan. Midaya pandigaza. Exactly. Fourth person. We didn't forget about that. Babe, say hello. Hi, Fizz. Good morning. Good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's the first supermarket haul you guys will be getting in a long while. You guys has been asking for it, and baby's over there jerking about me, but I'm acting like I didn't hear. You guys, I took out my hair today and washed it and put it into. Hence, I am wearing my husband's hat. Anyway, you guys, we're back to supermarket haul, and we're gonna do this real quick. And let's Tyler kick babe at us at rock, paper, scissors. When we finish supermarket haul, you can tell me the joke. Look at these two.
Hey,
you guys think that has stopped?
What is my Cheetos!
Leave her now.
Why you say me liver? Me never liver. Chicken liver.
Sarah!
Let me smash a pizza for you.
You buy chicken liver?
No, I
So why you are talking about liver?
That's a good one. You like this one?
Yeah.
I know that's why
I
I
prefer
bought
this
That's why I
one.
bought it.
I prefer
The mess has begun and the battery is gonna die. Wait, guys, pause. Stop. Go like this when I say stop. Stay in position. Mute. Sarah, pause. Go like this.
And 3 soleil.
I'm gonna change the battery. Alright, we're back. Hey! You literally didn't step in the food ready. Did the oven ring or no?
Almost, so you can just take your samosa fast.
So for dinner, we're doing samosa and pizza. It's Friday night, so that didn't change either.
extra.
Alright, Sarah, the supermarket house.
So what is that?
Mama is too extra.
Mama
Juice
is
for
too
school.
extra. Okay, Sarah, what's that?
Juice for
Sarah?
It's cereal can. Donuts.
What is that?
Here. Teacup. Fucking to try to work with me.
So why you don't use that?
Peach. Yeah, me use this as well. Good job, Sarah. Biscuit.
She always have weird idea. She said, I'm gonna get a teacup. She's gonna put tea one time
And never use it
use
again. It doesn't matter. All the better I satisfy myself. This is wrap. Yes,
She's
wrap.
dangerous for the wallet. She's a compulsive buyer.
That is why we complement each other. Because I buy what I want and him do the budget.
She might say, that might be useful. We have honey.
I satisfy myself. That's all that matters. As long as I'm happy.
Mama, tangerine.
Yes, tangerine. Mama buy tangerine. Yes, it's honey.
Ooh, crepe.
Juice. I guess they didn't have any bag today, so they put them in.
Okay, we have tomato,
all
cherry
here.
tomato,
Yes.
and
One pot for the kids. The kids have a weird habit. They have to drink one of this before they go to bed, even if they just had dinner. And they have to have one throughout the day. Yes, Sarah?
orange juice here.
No, don't open it. It's honey to make tea.
Sarah, what is that?
Berries.
Yes. What kind of berries, Ty?
Strawberry. And blueberry and blackberry.
Very good.
No strawberry.
No, it's not strawberry season.
I believe you cut your hair today. So why you send it back?
You guys, while they continue the supermarket haul, they made my hair wash me, punch me now.
Punch you, you punch it because your mother. Look at your mother.
Nana,
Nana, supermarket
Mama
haul.
for Mama.
We have coconut water. I don't know if that's good, but she get 3 coconut water every weekend. And guess what? After 2 days, it's done already.
I satisfy myself.
It's fine. Well, she use it. I'm happy.
Pampers.
Did you hear about the bad?
Yes.
We have the.
What? Did I hear somebody just say Pampers?
Yes, me.
Why you say Pampers? Who in here wear Pampers? Nobody in here wear Pampers.
Tyler.
I see Pampers.
Why did you say Pampers?
Because it's
Sarah, what is that?
It's the brand. Sarah, what is that?
citrouille.
It's pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
It's not citrouille. You don't call that citrouille. You call that
Mama,
coffee.
it's
Citrouille
pumpkin.
doesn't eat coffee.
Mama's pumpkin.
Citrouille doesn't what, babe?
Eat.
Mama, pumpkin for Halloween.
Eat the cold. The one that you buy is cold.
Mama, pumpkin for
Citrouille is the one that you
Yes,
buy.
Halloween time. Coming up, Mama was looking at Halloween decoration to buy today online.
What is that, Sarah?
No. Fish. It's chicken.
It's
Yeah.
chicken.
Sarah, stop screaming like that, please.
Mama,
My
I can
ears.
put the yops in.
Alright, we have some yogurt here. We have coconut yogurt. I like flavor yogurt like coconut, vanilla, pear, apple,
Yogurt.
whatever.
Yes, Sarah.
We have here, we have some sweet potatoes.
More yogurt.
And we have here, I don't know what is that she got. Mini bag.
Who show you that?
Oh, it's like mini pizza.
Who teach you
It's
that?
like mini pizza in
Don't
the
do
bag.
that.
Pizzas.
Okay.
No, don't do that.
Okay, it's like mini
The
pizza in the
things that
bag.
she learned at school. Yes, mini pizza in a bag. I saw them, so I decided to buy them. If you try them and we
We
like
have
them, they
green
don't
bean.
fit.
No, put it back.
Give
put
me
it
this,
back.
please.
Just need to stay together. It's diffusing, that's it.
It's defrosting. Alright, we almost done. What's left? Frozen bag.
Put it here. Put it here. We have apple, pear. Pear, but I tell you I like flavor. I used to like the kiwi one, but she said unfortunately there were none. I'm sure it was some she just couldn't bother look at it for me. I mean, that's how she is. She said there is none, but I find it. So she just mean.
You guys are hearing he's doing me bad?
Again.
Chicken.
You hear how he's doing me bad? He think I don't put out the effort to look for
What
this
is that, Tyler?
cheese.
Chicken.
Cheese yogurt.
Say it
It's
again.
not chicken.
Fish.
It's not fish either.
Filet mignon.
Funny enough, Mama did not buy any fish today. Alright, come. Let me see Tyler whop your skin. It's been a while. Come, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One babe. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two babe. Come on, Ty. One. Anybody win this? Oh no, because you only got one. If Papa wins this, Papa win. But if not, we continue. Wait, Sarah, wait. Let's go, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two, Tyler. Anybody win this win? Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah! Tyler win.
I think that the last second.
Sarah, I thought you forgot about that. How long now since we did supermarket haul? About 3-4 months.
You think she down?
Sarah, how you remember? But she was so little when she used to do that.
For one she wasn't little.
Don't do that, silly girl. Okay, I'm gonna play with Tyler. Come, I'm gonna
He's
revenge.
gonna kick her ass. I'm cheering on Tyler. Don't do that.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama.
Papa.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Olivia.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two mama, two mama, two mama. If I win this, I will kick your butt. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Pay me my money. 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 You won. Sarah, stop.
Let me make you down back to her.
Sarah, no screaming. Stop.
Oh my god, il y a 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tell her, don't block the camera.
It's finished.
Wait, this is the last one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. How much? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Mama did 3 times.
Two, Mama, Mama win this, Mama get down.
Mama, give it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Mama win 3 times, 2 times. Papa win 0 times. First, today. Mama first.
Yes, Sarah, we finished now. We finished. Anyway, you guys, the madness is back. Like we didn't leave, and I feel good. Beating both of the boys.
I'm second.
She cheat. You didn't see she cheat.
No.
She cheat.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah. What do you want? You want chips?
Yeah.
Okay, go and turn on your tablet. I'm gonna make the chips for you. I'm gonna throw it in your bowl. Go and sit down. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna finish up dinner, pack out this mess. You see all these things I need to pack out, and I may or may not see you guys after.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.